What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm inside a truck today because I'm in a done truck. We just finished this truck and I haven't started the video yet. That's going to sound kind of crazy, but anyways, so all I have to start out this video are clips of it being like started in the shop. So typically I'll walk around the trucks and I show you guys what the trucks look like beforehand and all that stuff. And I wanted to do that with this video, but I kind of got busy in the office and they had to start the truck, so they went ahead and started it. But I have the full process of the lift kit install happening in this video, so you can see it from start to finish, and the clips will begin following this clip. But I wanted to give a shout out to my customer and say I appreciate him. This truck is kind of special. The customer is from Iowa, and he hasn't been here. I haven't ever met him yet. He had this truck shipped to me from I believe it was a dealership in Florida, Tampa, I think. It's been a couple of months this process has been going on. We came up with a deal a while back, and the plan is just now taking place. But we did a wonderful lift kit on this truck. I think the color of this truck with the lift kit, with the tires and the wheels that we put on it, it really ties together well. I think this might be one of the best looking trucks we've ever done on stock wheels, in my opinion. But it's a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. We did the 4-inch Cognito performance kit with the Fox reservoir shocks, and then we did 37 1250/20 Toyo Open Country RT Trails on the stock 20-inch AT4 wheels, which are gloss black. This truck is like that lava red color. It's amazing. I love it. Stay tuned for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Well, guys, it's a fresh week, Monday morning. We're in the late part of March, so the green is coming back in the trees. I'm so excited. This is what I love the most. Right now, it's a rainy Monday morning, but it's warm outside, fairly warm. It's like 65 right now. It's gonna be a hot day. Can't wait for it. This hoodie's coming off. I got this lava red GMC AT4 ready to go, and man, it looks nice. You know, I said in the beginning of the video that this truck probably looks better than any truck we've done on stock wheels, and that still stands. Luckily, we have good lighting out here today, so I can show you the best possible version of this truck. And I wanted to say I appreciate my customer again. Check out this ride. Here it is, the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. This truck already has some blacked out badges here on the 2500. First thing I see, it has the factory GMC AT4 gloss black wheels. I think they look great. They look really, really good. And this tire just makes everything look better. 37 12 50 20 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. Cannot go wrong with that tire. It's like the best all-terrain tire we have right now. It's about the same thing as the Ridge Grappler, to be honest. And it's not just an all-terrain. It's more of a rugged terrain, I know, but I call it an all-terrain because it's not loud. You don't feel it. It lasts a long time. It's a good tire. The lift kit we did on this truck is the 4-inch Cognito Performance Series. All the Cognito 4-inch kits come with that same cross member, which puts your axle angles almost better than factory. It's amazing right there. Look at that. The Performance Series means that this is the medium series. They have a standard, a performance, and then they have the Elite Series, which has Elka shocks. But the Performance Series has a Fox reservoir shock right here. If you look at it, it comes with a reservoir. The standard Cognito 4-inch comes with a standard body 2.0 shock. Sorry guys that this is a little dirty. I didn't realize how bad the pollen has gotten me out here. Anyways, the performance kit comes with the upper control arms from Cognito. They just had a new design in this kit. First time I've ever seen it, where there's no grease coming out at the bottom. You can't see the grease. There's no boot. So they've got a sealed ball joint now that they put on these. That's amazing. The last thing that they do on the Performance Series that doesn't come with the standard Cognito kit is the idler arm and pitman arm support brace. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's right there. Very, very tough to put a camera on, but it tightens the steering up like a lot in these trucks, so it's very, very nice. I've told you guys with a 37 12 50 20 and 22s with a 4-inch Cognito McGoy's or just a Suspension Max leveling kit, you don't have to cut the mud flat back here with 37s. A lot of guys are scared of that. We don't have to do anything at all. On the front of this truck, we just round off the bottom of the front bumper like that. If you guys call in and price this stuff, you're gonna hear me refer to rounding off the front bumper. That's what I'm talking about right there. Overall, this truck's amazing. I think that this customer is gonna be very, very happy with it. We also did the Recon Amber smoked lights right here for them too. They make these in white and amber, and then in, you know, light and smoke. So we did the smoked amber ones for him. I think they look awesome. They match his roof lights really well. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. If you guys have any questions or you want to get a price, I'm going to include the price on this build in the video for you at the very end here after this clip, so you guys can see what it would cost. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. My name is Jake. I'm at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180, and I appreciate you watching.